Hello everyone and welcome back to our video series on the digital goal-oriented portfolio. In the last video we went through stage 6, which was our sanding, and in this episode we're going to go through stage 7, which is our decorating. So in class what we did was we used natural resources that are available to us in our natural environment to decorate our birdhouse. So we used our twigs, we used moss, we used pebbles, and you may have gone an extra step further. You may have used some lollipop sticks to create some door frames, to create some window frames, or to even create some fences, or to do something unique with your roof. So the first thing you're going to do is you are going to take a photo of your decorated birdhouse and you're going to pop it in here. So what we're going to do is we're going to head on over here to what I did, and you're going to describe exactly what you did in your lesson. What did you use to decorate your birdhouse? Once you're happy with your description of what you've done, let's move on to our lesson reflection. So what went well, what didn't go so well, and what would you do differently next time? Here's an example of what may have gone well, what may have not have gone so well, and something that you could do differently. So I know that some people have said that they were going to use leaves. Leaves, they tend to decay fairly quickly. So what you could say is in the next lesson or in the future, instead of using leaves, you may use some moss, or you may make your own leaves out of card or out of paper or something else entirely. Set a goal for next time. So the next slide and the next class is going to be your submission. So what do you want to achieve before you submit your birdhouse? Write it in to your goal. Once you're happy with your goal for the next lesson, what we're going to do here is we are going to have a look here at this section. So you'll notice here that it is a choice of materials. So what natural elements inspired your design? Why did you choose these materials or colors? So it's asking you to justify why you used the materials that you've set out in your lesson reflection and in what you did. So for here, for instance, I said that I used twigs, moss and pebbles and lollipop sticks. So I'm going to say the reason why I wanted to use these materials is because I wanted it to blend in with nature. Your choice of materials might be totally different. Once you're happy with your description of your materials, let's pop on over here to our creative confidence. So very similarly, it is like our surface check in slide number 8, and it is also like our assembly in slide 5, and it's like our skill growth check in slide number 6 as well. So let's head on back over here. So our creative confidence. If you are not confident yet, it is a sapling. If you are getting there, it is going to be our little daisy. And if you're very confident or you're very proud of it, it's going to be our sunflower. So your choice of materials. Are you happy with your choice of materials? Here I've noted in my reflection that I was not happy with my leaves because they decayed, but I'm happy with the overall appearance. So what I might do is, instead of having the not there and the very proud of it, I'm going to say that I'm getting there. I'm almost very proud of it. I've got one more day or one more class to finalize it. So your design choices. Are you happy with the overall design choices that you've made throughout the project? So what design choices did you make? Have a look back here at your inspiration. Did you utilize the mood board for inspiration? What did you take from it? Are you happy with what you did? If you are, go with the sunflower. So in this instance, I'm absolutely thrilled with what I've done, so I'm going to put the sunflower. And the overall appearance. Are you happy with the overall appearance? In my reflection here, again, relating back to the choice of materials, I said I'm not very happy with the leaves, so I'm going to say that I am getting there. And I've got one more week or one more class to really nail the appearance. Once you have all that done, folks, it is just a case then of just changing your text from blue over to black or whatever color you decided. Once you have that done, folks, that is your stage 7, slide 9 fully complete. Let's head on back over to our Birdhouse Learning Journey progress board. So we're currently in stage 6 and we're about to progress on to stage 7. Stage 7 includes completing our slide 9 of our digital portfolio and decorating the birdhouse. Once you have that finished, you can grab your icon and you can move it up to stage number 7, where we have finally got only one stage left remaining and we're one step away from gaining our 5 VSWare points. I hope you found this video useful. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in our final tutorial for stage 8 in the next video. Thank you, everybody. We'll see you again. Take care and goodbye for now.